Hi there, let's make strawberry jam. I have blended 10 to 15 fresh strawberries and half a pear. Put it in a blender and blend it well. Then transfer it into a saucepan. Then keep on stirring it. It has to thicken to the jam consistency. So keep it in low flame, medium to low flame is good, and keep stirring it. See, it's getting thickened. I can see some unmashed pear over there, so I'm just mashing it. And you can start to add sugar at this stage. Add sugar according to your taste. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons and keep mixing it nicely. Always cook it in medium flame. See, it's almost done. See, it has nicely changed in color. It has become deeper and it's also thickened really good. You can see the consistency and you can tell it's almost done now. And you can turn it off now. Let it cool down. It looks really nice. So let it cool down. Then you can transfer it into the jar. Then you can put it in the refrigerator. See, it looks so beautiful. And also it's very easy to make. It doesn't take that much time at all. Put it in the refrigerator and next day morning you can spread it. Nice cold jam. It also spreads really nicely on the whichever bread you prefer. You spread it and enjoy your morning yummy bread and jam. Bye.